this video, I'll walk you through using the KidTalk language scrapbooking app. KidTalk is a web-based app, so you don't need to download anything. You can just open it in your favorite browser on a phone, a computer, or other device. You can go to kidtalk.app or click the link on our website, kidtalkscrapbook.org. You can sign in with a Google, Facebook, or Twitter account, or with an email address. I'm going to choose Google. The first time you sign in, you'll be prompted to sign an informed consent form. You can also view a copy on our website. Once you read the form, type your name in the box to sign and click I agree. You can review the consent form at any time by going to Consent Form in the menu. In Settings, you can input basic information, like a nickname for yourself. This name is not shared with researchers. You have the option of entering your zip code and your race. You can also update your sharing settings here. The last thing you need to do to set up your account is go to the menu and choose My Family to add your other family members or anyone else who's having conversations with your child. I'll add Joey and the year and month he was born so that we can calculate his age at each recording. You can add adults where it says Adults to Tag in Audio. Researchers will not see the names you add and will only see an anonymous code associated with each family member. Now, let's make some recordings. There are 3 ways to do this. Your first option is to press Record and record your child saying words, phrases, or having a conversation. See our website and social media for ideas of things you can record. I'll record a brief exchange with 4-year-old Joey.
What's that? It's a red ball!
I can press play to hear my recording.
What's that? It's a red ball!
And then I'll transcribe this recording by dragging the sliders to save my question and Joey's response separately. Here's my question. I'll transcribe it here. Check off that I said it, then press Submit Clip. I can do the same for Joey's response. You don't have to transcribe, but transcribing is helpful because it makes your clips searchable and helps researchers understand your child's speech. When I'm done, I'll press New Clip to make another recording. The second way to add a recording is to extract it from a video you've already recorded. To do this, click Extract Audio and follow the prompts on screen. Your third option for making a recording is to start a conversation. If you choose this option, you'll be presented with an image. The recording begins as soon as the image appears. Ask your child about the picture and talk about it as you normally would. Once you've made some recordings, you can look at them in your language scrapbook. This is what's really fun about this app. It saves your old recordings and lets you go back and listen to them whenever you want. You can see that all my recordings are saved and displayed here. You can see when the recording was made, who was in it, and their age. I can click on a clip to listen to it.
It's a red ball!
The search feature lets you find all the transcribed recordings that contain a specific word. This is great if you want to hear how your child's pronunciation changed over time, or if you want to find everything they've said about a particular topic. Now that I've started my language scrapbook, I'd like to share it with family members so they can hear Joey's speech too. I'll select My Family from the menu and click Invite User to Joey's clips. I'm going to invite my sister, Aunt Mary. The last feature of the app is the Say What game. The game gives you audio clips from other users who choose to share their recordings, and you type in what you think is being said. It helps researchers study what features of child speech make it easier or harder for unfamiliar adults to understand. Let's try one.
Kid Talk.
I think I heard Kid Talk. And we got it right! Thank you so much for watching and for using KidTalk. We'd love to hear your questions and comments or see pictures of you using the app. We are KidTalk Scrapbook on Facebook and Instagram and KidTalk Science on Twitter. And you can also contact us on our website, which is kidtalkscrapbook.org.